How to make an announcement channel in Discord. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to make an announcement channel in Discord. So with no further ado, let's get into it. So all you have to do is to go to your Discord application here or your Discord software, and you will then click onto your server. Let's say this is my server and I want to create an announcement channel. Now, if you're just thinking that what if in the text channel you will create a announcement channel. Now, if you click on this, let's say edit channel, you are only limited to this. So what we want to do is to really be in the community here. So before starting, I would highly recommend you to create a channel that says rules, and then just create the channel here. And then as you can see, our goal is we have to put on a megaphone beside the announcement. So that means that we have actually successfully created an announcement channel where everyone can is notified whenever I post something or chat something under the announcement. So here under the name, you will see this arrow here, down arrow. Click on this and then go to the server settings. Now on the server settings here, you will see the community. Click on enable community, and here you will see are you building a community, then click on get started. So what you want to do next is to read through this, and then if you agree, just click put a check mark. And then for the rules, as I have said, you've created a rules text there, so you could use that. And for this community update channel, so let's just let the Discord create one for us. So click on next, and then click on default notifications to mentions only, and then you may want to remove the moderation permissions from everyone, and then click on I agree and understand. So I recommend you to read through the community guidelines of Discord, and if you are satisfied with it, click on I agree and understand, and then click on finish setup. Now that we are done, we put this here. As you can see, we have a check mark on the announcement. So what we want to do next is to go back here to the announcement. Let's go edit this. And if you scroll all the way down, there is a new settings that popped out, the announcement channel. So if we turn on this, that means that we are officially creating that text for as an announcement channel. So if you click on that, click on save changes and then turn it off. And as you can see here, we have created an announcement channel. Now, if you will, under the announcement channel, let's say you want to um, announce something. This is already shared with your followers. So basically, that is how you make an announcement channel in Discord. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And please leave any questions you may have in the comments section, and have a great day.